Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 261 chainsaw. Very popular saw for the firewood cutting, 61 cc's. And we'll look at some of the features this one has. Choke is on top, a little lever you trip. Kill switch is right below it. Side load on your gas reservoir as well as the oil reservoir. Half wrap handlebar. Working chain brake. Features a new barn chain. That's a 20-inch 3/8 pitch 050 gauge. Skip sequence. Skip is the spacing, more spacing between the teeth. Shows a bit the configuration of the tooth. Very fast cutting chain. Decompression valve. Push the button in right here and you can start this high compression motor. Has the two falling spikes. It's been branded. Just a very powerful chainsaw.